Hi there, it's George here. Today I will have to work with my aloe vera plant and do repotting video. Here we go. As you can see, it is very beautiful. It was grow a lot of babies and I have to divide and repot, but only the mother plant. The aloe babies I have to give to my friends in the city where they live. I cannot send plants outside the country. We need phytosanitary certificate. Well, so have to report this and remove all the babies in this video. And the aloe plant, mother plant, it was grow really beautiful and big already. The pot is kind of small and have to do this. Well, I chose already this container. We have to repot in it. It is good for this aloe plant. And let's start repotting. So here we go. I just have to water this aloe vera plant to remove easy from the old pot. That's it, let's do it. And I will let it around a few minutes and then I will have to repot. Now let's try. Well, let's see the roots. As you can see, they are kind of like root bound. Anyway, well, I did that. Now I have to repot this aloe plant in such container. As you can see how well it fits. Now let's plant the aloe here, but I add a little bit of soil. The soil which I'm using, it is universal potting soil. Mix it with compost and garden soil and sand and it's good. Let's add here plant. Well, I planted this beauty of aloe vera plant and I have to water, but not today. After 2-3 days I water it when I repotted, you did see. Now we can see the aloe vera babies which I suggest to divide with roots, and that is good. This is one. The second one, as you can see, good roots. The third one, quite big aloe, amazing. And look at this little root system, very good root system. And another one is here, beautiful. And another, and this one without roots. But anyway, let that dry for 1-2 days. And then you have to plant in the soil and the plant will grow anyway, will grow roots and yeah. In such way, the first time I propagated aloe plant, this variety, and succeed. Why not succeed the second time? So this is the final result, look at it. It is very beautiful in this pot, and this only one looks more attractive and will grow huge, and will become hard. The pot so hard, when this aloe plant leaves are hard, that's it. In my care will grow well, and I had in the past such big aloe leaves, such a big plant, and it was in bloom once it was a very beautiful bloom. So just it will bloom again, it will grow huge again, and we will see. Have to wait. So thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.